my first ever PC build. I'm really excited because I've always wanted to build my own PC and finally I'm doing it. So this would be an AMD Ryzen build and I have the Ryzen 7 1700. This is an 8-core processor, so it would be good for editing, for gaming, for coding, and every other thing that I have to do with it. I also picked up the BeQuite Pure Rock Slim CPU Cooler. This is supposed to be good based on the reviews. For the power supply, I picked up the Thermaltake Cool All Your Life 1600 watt power supply. So this should be enough for my build. For my games and files, a 2 GB Baracuda hard drive. I picked up the Crucial 2.5 SSD drive, and this drive is enough for installing Windows 10 and all programs that I need to boot and load faster. For RAM, Corsair Vengeance, and this is a DDR4 RAM with 16 GB at 3000 MHz. To increase airflow, I picked up 2 extra fans. These are the Active Freeze. The case comes with 2 fans, so I would have about 4 fans in total. So that should be enough to get started. And for the motherboard, I went with the RGB Strix B450 gaming motherboard. I really read a lot of good reviews about this, and I think it probably should work out. And of course, the GPU, GTX 1060. This is enough for the games I want to play and enough for video editing and also just doing hardcore stuff on my computer. 6 GB DDR5, and I should be able to overclock this. For the case, I went with a Corsair Carbide 75R. Alright, so now that we've gone through the parts, let's start building. Okay, this is really exciting. It looks like it's on and everything is good. So I will go on and install Windows 10 and set this PC up. So we'll deal with some cable management now.